Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's update with RGJ Trains here at David Junction. Still feels weird saying that, but I got it right. So this one's a bit different. I'm completely starting it in a different side, up on my naughty step. The reason for being is we're still painting at the moment, and while we said we wouldn't really include it, the reason we are going to include the next bit is it's our mountain or hill. I think I keep calling it a mountain, you call it a hill.
Well, it's not big enough to be a mountain.
But anyway, this part here we're going to get painted as well as the rest of the baseboard. But because it's a continuation of this being created, that's why we're going to include it in here. Obviously, the rest of this week is going to be, once it's all painted, putting everything back together. And hopefully going on and building more into the layout. So we're going to crack on now, guys. And we'll catch you later on. Bye for now. So guys, you've probably never seen me here with wet hair and everything. The reason for this being is we've kind of realised today on, what are we, Thursday? We realised we didn't do the update for you guys. It's just here at RGJ, you know, life at the moment is just as it goes.
But I think everybody who comes into your live streams will understand, and they've spoken to Marilyn, that she's been in hospital. Yeah. So.
And I spent a lot of yesterday in bed myself, didn't I?
Yes.
So yeah, it's kind of yesterday, it didn't go to plan, we didn't get any filming done. So it's kind of a finish of the update today, and we apologise it's a day later. We do want to mention as well, Valley, Chris, we've noticed as well that you've become a subscriber on YouTube. I can't remember if we saw it on a live or not.
Member, not subscriber.
Member, yes, sorry, member. So apologies if we haven't said thank you. If we haven't, we only just realised last night it does not notify us. So we do apologise for that, and we're so thankful, Chris, for you joining that as well. But yeah, so the rest of the plan is Rob's doing a bit with lighting behind. and you notice our big board is still missing. The reason for that being, and that will...
It's down here.
Yes, it's kind of what it's on. Hopefully the episode will show us making the hills for that one, well, the slated kind of aspect. We've got our windmill that's going to go in that corner, and another one that's being made for us. We're not going to go into it too much because we'll be able to show that when it's done, but we're looking very forward to that arriving, and hopefully can place that maybe the other side. So yeah, we're going to crack on and actually get things done, because again this week there's not been a lot done, and we will see you guys later. So thank you all again for joining. Members, subscribers, everyone, it means the world.
Patrons. And again, it's not about the money, it's about the help, because clearly as we stuff up constantly, including forgetting to get updates out, we cannot do without all the hints and tips and everything.
And we appreciate everyone with how manic it's been. You guys are still sticking with us, and hopefully we get back to a form of normality at some point soon. So we'll catch you later, guys. Bye for now.